Hey, I'm Juan. I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be holding a free intro to trading and investing course. Now, some of these courses go from anywhere from $1,000 to $6,000. I'm going to be doing it for free. And even if you pay $5,000, $6,000 for some of these courses, they're pre-recorded. I'm going to be doing it live starting next month, February 12th. Why should you learn from me? Just listen to some of the recommendations.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If there's one person that's my go-to person when thinking about trading, analyzing stocks, understanding the markets, one of the very first people that I personally go to all the time is Brother Mujahid Juan Valdez. Juan is a invaluable resource for not only trading and understanding positions in the market, but also for people that are conscious about doing things in a halal manner, taking into consideration their values when they're trading and investing. He's coming out with a day trading course. I think that anybody that signs up is going to benefit from it. I've benefited from his knowledge immensely over the years, and I encourage all of you to do the same. Assalamu alaikum.
And he actually has a YouTube channel that I highly recommend checking out. The more YouTubers that you watch, and this is a good YouTuber who does serious due diligence. His name is Juan, and he's the founder of Prosperity Trade. And on our channel, on our Discord, he provided us due diligence on ticker BLRX. And over the last month, the stock is up over 70%. These are massive gains in just 1 month time. So shout out to Juan at Prosperity Trades. Thank you for sharing your due diligence with the community, and I highly recommend to all the viewers of this video subscribing and ringing the notification bell to Prosperity Trades. A link is provided down below.
I do like this Prosperity Trade guy, Mo. We did a reaction for our
he was good
for the community.
He's not big enough. He should be a little bit bigger.
He should be bigger. Paul, we'll show him to you later. But anyway,
shout out to you and your channel, Justin. So his channel, by the way, is worth a look. For those of you who are interested, he has some really phenomenal swing trades. Every time he came up to me and said, "Hey, this company is going to fly in medium term, kind of 2-3 weeks," I never got a bad advice from this man about companies. That when he said, "Hey, I researched this," I think he won't say anything about companies he doesn't know, but I had like 3 or 4 different hey, heads up, it always flew high. So really worth checking out his channel.
Just to give you an idea of what we're going to cover, we're going to discuss market indices, trading methodology, terminology, strong stocks, what makes a stock worth investing in, account types. We're going to touch on fundamental analysis, technical analysis, support and resistance indicators, daily chart patterns, also talking about entrance, how to enter and exit a trade, level 1, level 2, hotkeys, trading psychology. So if you want to sign up, on the bottom here, there's a basic intro to day trading course. It's a $20 package, and it basically gives you the PDF of the course. So sign up and you'll have me live teaching the course. Hope to see you there.